Hi everyone, my name is Dr. No Ital, and I'm so glad that you're going to help out at this year's Harvest Carnival. Pastor Steve has asked me to help with this year's team training. I'm so excited. It's sure to be the event of the year. I mean, with all that candy and the carnival games, giant inflatable toys, and great people like you partnering with us, we can't go wrong. Now, here are just a few things to remember to make this event a success for those that are coming and for you who are serving. First, we're going to start with the 4 W's. When, who, what, and where. That's right, the 4 W's. Who, what, when, and where. When? When should I be at church? Well, the Harvest Carnival is on Saturday, October 30th, from 2 to 5 p.m. So, if you're serving the whole time or the first shift, you should be at church by 1:30. And if you're serving at the second shift, then you should be at church by 3 o'clock. That's right, 3 o'clock. And please be on time. The first shift workers can't leave until the second shift workers arrive. That's right. Who? Who should I go and see once I get to church? Well, once you get to church, you should go to the information booth located in the main lobby outside the worship center. It's right underneath the stairs there. Yep, that's right. And there'll be a person there to direct you to your proper location for serving. What? What should I wear? Well, you're welcome to dress up in a costume if you like, but it's not required. But please, remember, no witches or goblins or monsters or anything scary. I don't like that. So, if you're in doubt, pick something different. You probably also want to wear something that's easy to move around in and doesn't get too hot. That's right, you're going to be working. So, where? Where will I get my instructions? Well, there will be detailed information at your booth on how everything works. And there'll be someone that comes around to check on you to make sure that you have everything you need for a successful event. So, now that we have the 4 W's, when, who, what, and where, it's time to move on to the 3 things to remember. That's right, 3 things to remember. Remember number 1, smile. You know, this might be the first time that someone has ever stepped into church, so we want to make sure that they're welcome and comfortable. Remember number 2, everyone's a winner. So you can make the carnival games easier for people if they need it, particularly like younger children. You can move them closer to the target. That's okay. And in most carnival games, people get at least 2 or 3 tries or chances. So if someone hits a target or accomplishes a given task, you know what? They get 2 pieces of candy. Isn't that great? 2 pieces of candy. But you know what? If they don't hit the mark, they still get 1 piece of candy because everyone's a winner. Now please, only 2 pieces for winners and 1 piece for everybody else. Because you know, it takes a lot of candy to feed 1,200 people. And the candy, it's only for the carnival games. There's no candy in the inflatable rooms or the laser tag. They're having fun anyway. And then remember number 3, be friendly, but keep things moving. There'll be lots of people here. We had over 1,000 people last year, so we need to keep things moving. Some games have 2 or 3 people at a time, so keep it fun, keep it friendly, and keep it moving. That's right. Okay, let's do a quick review. The 4 W's. When? Saturday, October 30th. That's right, Saturday, October 30th, 2 to 5 p.m. Come early to get your instructions. Who? Go see the person at the info booth in the worship center lobby. What? Wear any clothing that's appropriate, either a costume or street clothes. And then where? Your instructions will be in your booth. And then the 3 things to remember. Number 1, smile. Number 2, everyone's a winner. And number 3, be friendly, but keep things moving. Thanks again for partnering with us. This event will be a huge success because of your help. See you at the Harvest Carnival. Bye-bye.